So India is getting younger in terms of medical health crisis, stress, depression, anxiety. It is rising now at alarming level. Every 1 out of 5 person is suffering depression today. 22% are anxiety disorders, and 38 out of 1 lakh is going towards suicides. And in terms of heart attack also, the average age has been dropped to 30s in last 2 decades. Why? The question is why? Poor sleep, poor diet, constant pressure on work, constant traveling, no rest. The truth is that if you are facing any physical illness, you are having doctors across the world to treat you. But who will treat the stress, the depression, the anxiety? There is no machine to measure across the world. There are no doctors available. Not even God can help you until and unless you decide yourself to heal yourself. What is the definition of success today? Unfortunately, it is only money and power. What about the balanced life? What about the holistic definition of success? We don't need only physical health. We need physical, mental, emotional and spiritual health to lead a balanced, blissful life. And why I am telling all these things to all of you? Because my all dear friends, you are the modern days warriors. You are having your day-to-day battles. You are entrepreneurs, business leaders, running your own businesses. Are you not facing your daily challenges of profit, loss, decisions, deadlines? We have to learn here to take care of our mindset. So the most interesting thing about the coaching thing is that it is having the power to change the cognitive activation of the brain, and which ultimately creates and have the power to change the neuroplasticity of mind, which is nothing but rewiring of mind, shifting of thought process, shifting of the mindset, and it results into all kind of psychological behavior and problem solving approaches. So we are taking care of lot of good workshops for all the schools, colleges to develop all these qualities and corporate programs. One last thing I will like to tell you about the eagle mindset or the vulture mindset. अभी तो इस बाज की उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो इस परिंदे की इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी तो मैंने लांघा है समुद्रों को, अभी तो पूरा आसमान बाकी है. Pratusha Jagriti is about transformation of mind and mindset, and I need support of all of you and to be the best version of yourself and contribute to this whole world.